everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Live Signals with Precise Trader. Today is 8th October 2024. Okay, Europe session, 1600 hours Singapore time, and we are going to do live signals. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchanges, key past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use the information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of any trade with your broker before you put in your trades. And also do take note that we are enhancing our services. We are providing this daily market insight twice a day on WhatsApp and Telegram. Uh, if you need the service, please register with us under this number +65 9 444 2 333. And we have a weekly market outlook every Monday, which is 1500 hours, and we are also doing live signals every day between 1600 hours and 2100 hours daily. That means one is Europe session and another one is US session. Okay, we also provide weekly twice news trading and once a month learning the system. Okay, this is going to be the last Friday of the month, and we are also starting this workshop, the precise trader method, and this will definitely help you to make you a better trader in the long run, because the services we are providing at the same time we are also training you how to manage the trade. Okay, with that, we move on to the live signals. We have taken a couple of trades, in fact, today and yesterday night. I think we did make some money, and overall, I think now uh, under the scalping, I think we have made 210 pips. And uh, yesterday was, I think we have two losses on the scalping, and not much. Okay, then on the day trading, we haven't had much fill, and we most likely from next week onwards, I think we will be focusing on day and swing also. So that means next week onwards, we can get more order filled, and at the same time, the results would also be coming off better. So this side, I think we have lost so far about 140 pips, and the next is momentum. This is where our right now our focus is. Okay, yesterday we made an overall, I think we have made about 420 pips. So we have like 420, 240, 630, 630 minus 140, about 490. And today we had a couple of lost trade, but yesterday was a good day. Yesterday we made good trades. Okay, then news not much. I think we so far we only traded on non-farm payroll. Okay, not much, and swing also. I think we lost about 100 pips. So overall, I think we are still making about 4%. 3 to 4% this month. Okay, and we are being very transparent. Whatever trades we are putting in, we are sharing with you. Okay, for those of you, of course, for those of you who are YouTube users, okay, we are giving a promotion, meaning if you are of course regularly following us, okay, what we need you to do is register with us with this precise trader. Then you write to us saying that you are a YouTube user, then probably we'll extend free trial for one more month. So overall, you can get the free signals for 1 month plus another 1 week. So that is of course we need you to write to us, okay, saying that okay, we are the regular YouTube viewers. Okay, and the data out tonight. Okay, let's see. We don't have any data out tonight, so tonight is going to be a range trading. Okay, unless if the market breaks out. Okay, if the breakout. So we are going to see what is the range then from there we decide how we can go about and how we move forward. Okay, before we also go into that, I think we want to check what are our current working orders. Okay, we're trying to sell Sing dollar at 13055. This scalping. New Zealand dollar trying to sell at 161.45, and dollar cat trying to buy, Aussie dollar trying to sell, dollar Swiss trying to buy, euro dollar trying to buy, and this all these levels are, I think, quite far away from where it's trading. Okay, euro yen is 100 pips away, so looks like none of these orders are going to get filled. So what we should be doing is we should try to focus and try to get more nearer orders. Okay, let me start off. Okay, now we are see the problem right now is because you see too much of white boxes. Okay, meaning the market is in a range. So whenever this is in a range, I think scalping would play a key role. Okay, that means there will be a lot of scalping trades get filled, and you don't get the other unless scalping or momentum. Okay, definitely day swing news all are going to be in the dormant levels because there isn't much activity. Okay, now let's look at euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. Okay, right now this is in a range between 10955 and 10990. Okay, this is only about 45 pips range, and even if you look onto the daily, this is about 90 pips all in all. That means previous day low is 10950 and 110. So there isn't much movement on the euro dollar, but we still try to look to trade and look for opportunities. Okay, the 120 is being pretty flat, so maybe we'll try to take trades based on 120. Okay, then we look into the PT zones. Okay, daily, 367.20 is flat. Daily is a one force is showing up, but not enough strength. Okay, then weekly is one strong selling force because this is trading at S8. Then 1 week buying force. So monthly is two strong selling force. Okay, overall dollar strength is happening, and we are expecting this market to turn soon. Okay, so now how can we start to trade? Okay, looking at this euro dollar. Okay, previous day low is 10955, current day low is 10970, and previous current day high is 1100, and previous high is 10990. Okay, so this is in a range, so only scalping trade should be taken, and we like to see. Okay, basically we try see low, we buy, we see high, we sell. That means both can be done. Okay, both be done because this is still in a range. Okay, so let's look into the chart, then see. Okay, all we know is looking at the chart, the market is expected to turn. Okay, turn soon. Okay, either it may turn at 10920 or 10870. Okay, this will be the key levels. So as of now, we have not got any signal of a turn because the reason being is not much strength left. So As a result, I think we should be only trading on the range. Okay, so if you look at it, I got to exit before 11010. So buy 109 70. I think that's the order we have on the scalping. Okay, we can buy one more at 109.30. I think with that we can go for this 70 109.70. I think we have a time until 5 o'clock, and 109.30 we have until 11:30. Okay, we don't have to make changes to that, but this trade we may want to bring it down. Okay, bring it down to 50 and TP 109.90. And now the expiry, we try to push it another 4 hours, because market is very quiet. So there's no data out, so we just have to be patient and just key in these orders, and if the order is filled, then we let it work. Okay, then we can put in another order for a sell. 11020, 45 and 10980. This one also until 9 o'clock. Okay. So euro order we have put in. Okay, this is a very narrow range, so we will just place this order. Let's work on this. Okay, for those of you who are following us regularly, I hope you understand or try to understand what we are trying to do. What we try to do is we try to take the trades on scalping day swing. Okay, this three at a specific level. That means as a projected level or at a forecast level. Then we have a momentum in the event. In the event, if excuse me, the so-called if the either order is not filled, then if let's say the market starts to move, then we may go into the momentum trade. Okay, so this euro is done, and now we try to go into the pound. Okay, pound. Again, this is flat on the daily, and the range is between 13060 and 13280. Okay, I'm not sure whether this range is right, but 130 135. Okay, this is also looks very tight. Okay, anyway, we'll try to take the range between 13060 and 131.35. Okay, then we'll get the figures from the dashboard. Okay, now next we go into the PT zones. No buying force. Once the weak daily selling force and strong selling force on the weekly. Okay, then it's flat, 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 flat. So this is also a chance that this market has either it's going to make a low soon, or it may have made a low. Okay, but for confirmation we need to get the price action, the price levels to move beyond certain levels. Okay, so on this note we go into the dashboard. Okay, dashboard. Your previous day low is 13060. Current day low is near the previous day low. Previous day high is 13135. Current day high is lower than the previous day high. And current week high is 13135. So that means the current week high, this happened yesterday. Okay, so we are expecting this range until the break happens. So we'll take the two levels as 13060 and 13135. That means if either level breaks, then we may see the market moving in that direction. Otherwise, this is going to be in a range until the break happens. Okay, for that, let me go and change the chart. Okay, again, this is moving in a zigzag manner. Okay, not given a clear direction, and this should be the range 131.25 and 130.55. Okay, so what we will do is we would we'll try to buy and sell under extremes. Okay, we buy pound. $130.55, stop at 30, 130.90. This is expiry. This, not sure what expiry should we give for this, because it's very quiet. Okay, let's say we put it until 10 p.m. Then we'll try to go for one sell. One thirty, 55 stop, 130.90. This expiry we put until same 10 o'clock. Okay, so this two, okay, we have done this two. Next we go into dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen looks a bit of movement on dollar yen, and we see the dollar yen weakness is seen and is trading below previous day low. Okay, right now this is one for 14765. Okay, right now it's trading. Uh, okay, we have already seen weakness on the 360 and 720 daily. Weekly, we have one strong buying force and two strong selling forces. Okay, so this is where we got to be a bit careful. The signals are a bit mixed. Okay, so we got to be overall. I think selling is preferred. Okay, then we try to look into the dashboard. Okay, market open at 148.20 and the high is 148.25. That means the high market open near the high, and the low is 147.35, which is current week low. So that means today the market has made a low. Okay, now right now this is trading at 47.65. Okay, what should we do? We have two strong selling forces on the previous day, which is 148.40, and daily also we are getting selling force. So the ones that 147.30 breaks, then we may see the price moving towards 146.70 and 146.35. Okay, let's see. Okay, overall, this market doesn't look that convincing and that promising. Okay, meaning the weakness. So, what the market is trying to creep lower, I think eventually it should shoot up. Okay, so the two levels which we can say focus is 147. Okay, 147.30 and 146.65 and 40. So our target, I think we should be exiting before 146.65 or 146.40. Okay, we should be exiting before that level. So as of now, if you ask me, okay, this is going to be in a range with a price to break lower. So we can sell at 47.80 or 148.05. Okay, selling at 148.05. Scalping, there is no signal. Okay, we put an order to sell at 48.85. So what I want to do is, I may want to extend this until tomorrow. Tomorrow until 7. And you take a current trade. Let's see, yeah. Okay, 48.20. 48.20, yeah. TP, okay, we feel that if given chance and if there is any news that is going to support the yen, like for instance, like the yen strength, so we have to see that 147.30 breaks, which is the low. If it breaks, then we may see 146.65. Okay, so then this one is we give until 23.30. Okay, 23.30, and let this thing work. Okay, so on the other hand, we can also go for a buy. Okay, buy near the 46.40. Remember I told you 46.40, so that is the support. Okay, and this is exit at 46.40, exit 47.20, 20.25. Okay, this is again, we will do it until tonight 1 o'clock. So this dollar yen, since this has having a good move, we are having one buying order and one selling order. This on the daily. So whichever happens, we will take. Then we will do it. Okay. The next is dollar Swiss, all flat across the board. And this is also a very quiet market. Okay, so here I think we will just do a scalping trade on this. Okay, this scalping trade would be just on the range. See, even the 360 range, 360 range is only 15 pips, from the high and low. So this is not much movement, and daily is only 20 range. Okay, I think it's no point doing this trade. Okay, maybe we let go this trade, because there's literally no movement. Okay, we don't want to see, maybe night time if you see any movement, then we will do it this. Okay, next Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar also we look into the uh, range. Okay, today's whole day range is 55 pips. The high is 70 and low is 15. Okay, is about 55 pips, and your the 360 is only 25 pips. So I think this is also no point trading this. See, dollar CAD is only about 35 pips. New Zealand dollar is only 25 pips, and is all about 25 pips. Okay. Overall, I think all the markets are very quiet. Okay. This is one of the reason being there's no data out. That's one. Second is the CPI data is going to be out, so we might see a big breakout happening when the data is out. So since there is no much movement, I think let's not waste our time and energy. So we just put in this some of these trades, then we'll see if fill, then we take it. Otherwise, I think we can afford to relax a bit. Okay. So I think with that I just conclude this session, and see you again at 2100 hours. Okay, maybe 2100 hours might be more some movement, or we might get some opportunity. Okay, So we will do it during that time. Okay. Thank you very much for coming, and looking forward to see you again tonight, 21 hours. In the meantime, of course, if we get any movement, then we will send on WhatsApp for those people who have registered with us. Okay. And thank you, and see you again. Bye.